video, I'm going to show you how to create a message, a draft message that will eventually go onto the list that's already been created with AWeber. So what you'll need to do first off is go to your AWeber dashboard like we are here, click on messages, which will give you the drop down options. You click on draft there, which will then bring you to this page that you see in front of you. Then you go and click on create message over here, and that will give you the option to choose one of the 3 drop down options that you have. Drag and drop builder is one of the most popular. I use HTML editor, and what you would then do is click on that, and that will then open you up with the editor that you want to have. And from there you can start to create your first message that will go onto your first list, and that will be the subject of the next video of how we do that. So once you've done that, as you can see, you still looking across, and that will bring up that. And what you then do is you then will choose how you want to put your subject line in. You can either, a good way of doing it is to actually put the person's first name in it, as you would do if you were talking to somebody normally. So that's how you would choose to do it. You can personalization, subscribers info, click on that, and you then can choose the first name that goes into there. Then you can say John or Sally. How would you, and start off your message from there. So that's how you actually will create your first draft message within AWeber. Hope that's been of use to you. And as per usual, if you want to click the bell icon, you'll get notified of all the videos that get uploaded to this channel. And if you want to read more about me, you can go to davehayes.co / about me on the blog beneath this, and then you can get read more detailed descriptions of every video that's on this channel. Thanks for watching.